The POR in POR-15 stands for Paint Over Rust. This stuff is designed to clean up and protect the parts of the truck that we want to, well, clean up and protect from the harsh Vermont weather. And this kit is complete with everything we need to perform all the steps. Two great things about this Stop Rust kit. One, when it's applied correctly, this stuff is tough as nails and will probably last longer than you and me both. And two, the good folks at POR-15 have put together detailed instructions that anyone can follow. So long as you've got a clean space to work and a hose hooked up to decent water pressure, you can get the same great results that we did with these rehabbed upper and lower control arms. And they'll look great on either end of our new drop spindles. The last thing we'll do is apply POR-15 top coat, and that'll give our control arms a great finish. The only downside to all this is that we'll never get to see them. But that's okay. We know that the spindle assembly will look good once it's all buttoned up, and that lets us sleep well at night.